that cut into. We're making pizza tonight, y'all. And we're gonna do it the simple way because I got both the kids home right now, and I ain't got time to make no dough. And dough's a long process. At the store, you can buy already made dough, pizza dough, for super cheap. I think it's $1.98. And alright, yo, we're gonna go ahead and stretch this dough out. We're gonna make a little dough ball. That's our goal here. You kind of want to fold up and under, creating a top arch like that, and have just where you're folding everything, lo and behold, just in and out, up and down, all around. And what you're kind of doing is you're kind of kneading that dough because you want to try to get all the bubbles out of what you can, and you're going to let that dough rise. So you're going to put that little dough ball in a bowl, cover it, so I guess it doesn't have air. I'm not sure really. I just know you cover it and it will rise. One of my pizza doughs, my dough has ready. Rose, and it's looking nice. What I do now is touch it and then put some sweet Italian sausage in a frying pan to cook down. You can put it in the oven. I just always like to make sure my sausage is cooked because I don't want to run that risk. So here I'm just going to brown it. I'm going to brown it to where it's like a little bit of brown and pink. Not too much. You can't cook it all the way through, but you're putting it into an oven at 425 degrees. So I think it'll be all right to have it a little pink. And then, of course, it will finish off in the oven, obviously. But we're just going to break all that sausage down, make sure we get little nice pieces for it, and cook it all off. So now that we're done with that, I want to grate my mozzarella. So we're going to hand shred our own cheese. Now, I will lie and say that I did use some bag cheese in this ingredients. But for the main cheese, I did shred all my mozzarella, except for a little bit. Now, my mom got me this cool mat. It has where you can measure out your pizza doughs for like a little pan all the way up to 12 or 13 inches. Cook times on it. It's pretty sweet. She got it for me, and I really like it. I'm going to put some flour down to put my pizza dough on it, and we're just going to start stretching, trying to get that dough out to the right 13 inches to put it on our pan. Now, if you want to make stuffed crust, you can. Just make your dough a little bit longer if you can. Here I was having some issues because you'll see it slowly start moving back and retracting. But you're just going to get some mozzarella sticks and make a circle around and fold over to make stuffed crust. It's pretty simple. Spray your pan, y'all. You don't want that pan to get burnt or your pizza to get burnt. This is a deep dish pan that we're going to be doing. This sausage, pepperoni, and cheese pizza is pretty simple. And I'm just slowly trying to get those edges to stay. And low-key, I was getting a little bit frustrated because my dough didn't rise properly. I don't think I just let it set out long enough. Try to aim about 4 to 6 hours to let your dough sit out. I'm going to put some cornmeal on my pizza. And I got this cornmeal like a while back from Target. And it's lasted me a while. And it's definitely worth the money. You can use flour. It's fine. Cornmeal, I've enjoyed. You can put a little bit more cornmeal up there. It will actually help with the pizza. And if you're making thin crust, poke holes in the bottom. That way you don't have any bubble situations. And now I love this sauce. This is a sauce I've been using since I started making pizza. And we're going to use about a half a jar. A whole jar will make 2 pizzas, obviously. We're using half on this one. And start in the center and just work that sauce out. I am a component of a lot of sauce. I like sauce. As you can tell, the sauce makes the pizza. So then we're going to add our mozzarella, and we're just going to spread it out. I'm going to do about 8 ounces per pizza, and that way it's nice and cheesy. Because what is pizza without the cheese, y'all? You want to have that good cheese pull, good cheese taste. Hand shredding it just makes it so much better. If you ask me, my honest opinion, you can use bag. It's fine. I'm not judging. I'm just saying because I use bag here too. I decided to put a little bit of a Fiesta blend on that pizza and work that pizza out with the Fiesta Party. So it was nice and cheesy. And now we're going to add our pepperoni. This is just a great value pepperoni from Walmart. And there's looking very nice. And then we're going to add our sausages. Cooled down now. It's been about 20 minutes since we finished it. And we're just going to add it right on top. And look how pretty that is. Plain and simple. It looks like a professional pizza. I guarantee your kids are going to love it. Or your parents. Or your party, whoever you're cooking for. I'm going to add a little bit of bag mozzarella. Like I told y'all. I'm sitting here talking about hand shredding. I didn't want to touch the other cheese I had hand shredded because that's going to be for another pizza. I'm going to make a similar pizza. We're just making two. So into the oven at 425 degrees for roughly 20 minutes. So as we pull this bad boy out, look how pretty she is. This pizza is photogenic. It is a lot more photogenic than my 8th grade year middle school photo. That is for sure because my parents didn't even hang it up. We're going to use our little handy dandy pizza slicer here and cut the pizza up into 8 delicious slices because the kids are ready to eat. And yep. And that's going to be the big story here is what does it look like when I lift it? It's not too floppy. Good undercarriage. Look at that. Cheesy, gooey. I did already try a slice. This is where it's at. Y'all make this pizza. Make any type of pizza you want to. I don't care. Add your vegetables, stuff like that. Other than that, y'all, I'm out of here. I'm going to enjoy my time with my family. We're going to watch a movie, something. Peace. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go check out my mom's Facebook or my mom's YouTube channel. Make sure you go check out my mom's YouTube channel. Check out Jerry's shorts and stuff like that. All the descriptions are below. Thank y'all so much. We just hit 200 subscribers. And I've been at this for like 30 days. It's amazing. It's a blessing. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of y'all that tune into my videos. Thank y'all so much. I love you. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Get right down the video. Get right in the quiet.